This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Sheeran. This place is fabulous. 1,300 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, second floor unit that is simply gorgeous. Total renovations began in 2016 through 2020. This place has beautiful laminate floor throughout and tile in both bathrooms, complete impact windows throughout including Lanai, 2016 new air conditioner and water heater, beautifully upgraded open kitchen and a totally renovated guest bathroom. What's truly unique about this unit, that I have never seen in any other Pierpoint unit, is what the owners did to provide added space in the master bedroom. They removed the pre-existing closet and redesigned it on the back wall of the master bedroom, providing an open free space in the master bedroom. They also added a doorway to the master bedroom from the living room and put a new barn door over the entryway to allow for privacy. Oh, and there are no popcorn ceilings in this place. It is truly amazing and will sell very quickly. Pierpoint is such a wonderful, socially exciting, riverfront community. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Sheeran at 518-751-0137.